Established in 2002, First International is the ultimate business partner for the widest range of specialty vehicles in the Middle East. We have a massive fleet of over 150 prefabricated cars for sale and 40 available for rent, covering a wide range of uses including utility, passenger, burden carrier, emergency, and commercial vehicles. With the largest fleet of electrical cars within the Middle East, First International has become the company of choice for quality performance and service of specialty vehicles in the UAE. We make sure to deliver exactly what you are looking for. Whatever your engineering and design needs may be, we have a professional mechanical team that will customize your vehicle to fit your exact requirements. Whatever your needs, our production team are fully capable to deliver high-quality customized electric vehicles right to your doorstep. Built from international brands, we offer the highest standard of quality for all of our vehicles. With free maintenance for large orders, we make sure your investment is well looked after and that our recovery truck is standing by to make the transportation to and from our workshop or warehouse fast and easy. Our maintenance is effective and efficient. This is the main reason for our long-standing, strong business relationships with our clients. You can always count on First International to deliver results. Taylor-Dunn, Columbia, and E1 Car produce electric golf cars and utility vehicles of the highest quality, design, and performance. The after-sales support that First International gives each and every one of our clients is world-renowned, just like our brands. The best product, a professional maintenance team, along with world-class after-sales support has given First International the reputation of the strongest electric golf car and utility vehicle supplier in the region.
Abu Dhabi Aircraft Technology. I'm controlling material of the ground support equipment. First International is very good company and very fast for servicing and maintenance.
So contact us now and let our trained staff guide you to the best vehicle solution for your needs.